Okay, so I'm reading online that some are doing their yogurts in 24 hours, and so it's like only been 22 hours. This is good enough, but I noticed there's like a crust on the top. I'm not sure if that's like the sugar floated up or what. It's a little discolored. The turbinado sugar is definitely brown, so I don't know if that's from the sugar or what. And this pot, it's kind of like why I didn't want to use the lid because the lid, I might have used too much culture at first also because I've heard it gets thicker if you use more. So half a bottle might have been way too much. I just noticed it says like 5 drops for for a serving. Don't exceed that a day. So I'm like, but anyways, um, yeah. So this back to where I was. The seal stinks, so I didn't want to use that metal lid, so I just used that lid. Because I was wondering, like, man, is it gonna pick up any of the odor? But I tried to clean the lid really well. I didn't disassemble the lid. I sprayed it with IPA, 90% IPA. I let it soak a little bit. Same with the metal. I don't know. Yeah, it's a little browner skim, like scum on top. I don't know. And then the yogurt. So I'm gonna call it good, and scrape that top off, and then package up. All right. Yeah. If you have any suggestions, questions, comments, leave them down below. Appreciate it. Like, subscribe, and until next time.